This video will show you how to replace the clutch and CVT on your B212 Megamax mini bike. For this repair, you will need an 8mm wrench, 10mm wrench, 12mm or 13mm socket wrench. Start by removing the bolts from the clutch cover. There are 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Locate the bolt on the back of the clutch cover that has a 10mm head for the nut on the back and an 8mm head for the bolt on the front. Please note that the head of the clutch bolt could be 12mm or 13mm. The threads are the same size, but the head size could vary. Put your wrench on the bolt. Crimp the belt to hold the clutch in place. Fit the end of the wrench with a rubber mallet or a small hammer to get the bolt to spin off. Remove the clutch by sliding off the crankshaft. Remove the belt. Remove the back half of the clutch. Look for the keyway so that you know how to put on the replacement. Inspect for damage and put right back on the bike. There will be a brass bushing between the back and front pieces of the clutch. Remove it, inspect, and place back on the bike. The inside bushing on the clutch should move in and out freely. Remove that bushing to apply high-temperature grease, replace the bushing, and slide it back on the crankshaft keyway. The clutch cover has 2 flat sides. Line them up to ensure the cover slides on correctly. Line up the outer bushing on the keyway with a flat washer and bolt. Tighten until very snug. The belt is cut with a beveled side. This side of the belt needs to be facing the outside of the engine. Slip it over the clutch and slide it over the back pulley. Reattach the clutch cover.